Hey guys, what's going on? Well, this is one thing I can talk about. If you get a radio that does not have any power, you need to check to see if it's been inhibited. You can turn the radio on. If the light on top, the transmit light, flashes for like a half a second and then the radio goes dead, you've got an inhibited radio. So the radio needs to be reflashed. If that's not the case and you're not getting any power, this is the culprit. And you've heard me talk about these fins on the back, and it's very important. This is a defective one, and I had to reinstall, or I had to install a new one. But this shows you just about how much tread. Focus. This shows you about how much tread. I got a real good close-up of it earlier. You see those depressions along the top? That's enough to make your radio start working intermittently, because there's scallops right in the center. Come on, focus. Right in the center of these fins. When that happens, that just means that the radio is getting old, and they've taken the battery on and off and on and off, and they've bumped up against a lot of things. On my radios, I always check these and make sure that nobody's going to have a problem like that, because to actually get to this, you have to take the radio apart down to the back plate. So, for what it's worth, that's just a little, you can kind of get an indication of the tread. If your radio looks like this, it's going to need a new one of these before you're going to lose power. Take it easy, guys. That's for XTS5000s. Later on.